Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we have Emmy Girl with us.
Yay!
Yeah, so today we're drawing probably everybody's favorite part of Christmas. What is it?
Christmas presents!
Christmas presents. So come join us, guys. Alright everyone, are we ready to draw the present?
Yay!
Are you ready, Emmy Girl? Okay, let's get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line horizontal across the paper.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is...
Do this?
Yeah.
Good
So I'm
job.
going to do it. I'm going to go horizontal.
That's nice. Then go up like a line.
Yeah, you go up as a line on each side.
Great.
And then we're
Mine
gonna
is
come.
so ginormous.
It's so ginormous.
Like a giant.
Like a giant, yeah. And then we're gonna come out a little bit
Come
on each side.
Super.
And then we're gonna go up again
up
a little
again.
bit. And then we're gonna go horizontal again.
Amazing.
Like that. And then we're gonna draw another horizontal line connecting these 2 points.
Woohoo!
And we have the box for the present.
Yay!
Yeah.
I can't even do anything up here.
It's okay, you can fit it. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw 2 eyes because the present's gonna have eyes and a little face. So we're gonna draw 2 circles.
Great idea.
Do you know what my color's gonna be for this?
What colors were you thinking?
Like all of these colors right here.
A lot of colors? Yeah, those are some good colors. Then we're gonna draw a mouth. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 2 little curves like this
2 little.
on each side of the eyes. Yep, we're gonna draw like a smiley
I'm
face.
so good.
You are doing really good.
We're doing like a smiley face.
Yep.
Aww.
So cute. We're gonna draw a tongue. So we're gonna come out from the bottom
Come out from the bottom.
and then make a loop.
Make a loop. So
We're gonna draw the bottom of the mouth. So we're gonna draw a curve connecting it like this to the tongue. Yeah, that's good. And then
Mine
just,
is ginormous.
it is ginormous. And then just do it to the other side.
Do it to the other side. Wow.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, this one's more tinier and this one's like more bigger. Like,
Silly face.
It looks like he's like.
Yeah, like stretching his mouth. So then we're gonna do a half circle in the eyes. Smaller half circles for the little pupils.
Yeah, so them like can see like more like better.
Exactly.
Like not like blurry.
Not blurred at all. And then we're gonna draw the ribbon going down the box. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go.
Like the stripe.
Yep. We're gonna go down here. We're gonna draw a line. Don't pass the eye.
Beautiful.
And then we're gonna go from the bottom of the eye to the mouth. And then we're gonna go from the bottom of the mouth to the bottom of the box. Then we have the ribbon for the box.
Yeah, so cool.
So on the lid of the, on the lid of the box, we're gonna draw a vertical line again, just a little bit off from the ribbon, not too much. And we're gonna draw the little knot on the bow. So what we're gonna do is, and then we're gonna do 2 little slanted lines.
2 little slants. I need to do like super little. Like that.
And then we're gonna connect the 2
I already
lines.
connected.
Good job.
Like a triangle.
Yep. And then we're gonna draw the bows. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a loop. We're gonna go up and then around.
I need to do it so small. And then
we'll do it to the other side.
Well,
And then what we're gonna do is, to make the ribbons look 3D, we're gonna draw like a little hook. So we'll start from this point, come around, and go like this.
Great idea.
And then we're gonna do 2 little lines just to add details. We'll do a short one and then a long one.
this.
And then we're gonna draw the little extra string, the tie of the ribbon. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come out from this point, down, and then from this bottom of the bow, down, this side a little longer. Yep. And then we're gonna draw 2 zigzag lines. Up, down, up.
Zigzag, zigzag.
So cute.
Zigzag, zigzag. And then just 2 zigzag
Mine is
lines.
good.
Yours does look really good. I like it. And that's the ribbon. And then we have our present. So what we could do is we could design it. I think I'm gonna draw like lines on mine. What do you think? You're gonna draw polka dots maybe? What do you think?
Polka dots, like stars like this.
Ooh, yeah, you could draw it on your present. So I'm gonna draw some lines.
Oh,
Okay, that's one stripe I'm doing, and then I'm gonna do another stripe right here. And then now we could color it. So we could color it, you guys could color it whatever color you want, it doesn't matter. Emmy's gonna do probably some blues and I'll do some greens. So stay tuned, guys.
That's so cool.
Good job.
All right, so there we have it. We're done with our presents. How did you like the drawing, Emmy girl?
Good.
Good. So we have little bows for the present and they're ready to be opened. So thank you guys. Thank you for joining us and come back for our next video.
Bye.
Bye.